What's going on, guys? Welcome to this quick breakdown of GU and US30. There's two trades I'm looking at specifically today. And happy 23rd of December, by the way, as well. This will be our last trading day before Christmas, obviously, with it being Saturday and Sunday tomorrow. Anyway, I'm not going to keep you long, guys. Let's jump right in. So, I'm going to tell you what I'm looking at and why for today. So, we've got the bullish price action here, breaker structure up, and we've got a breaker structure down here. Looks like actually ugly head and shoulders. But because price has broken back below this zone here, I'm now looking to take price down here. So my first resistance, so if we broke below this zone, my first zone was this zone here, this previous candle close here. This previous week, sorry. So that was previous support. That previous support's broken. And now that previous support's broken on the daily, I'm looking to take price down to this current support here. So that will be, price should now head down there. And now we go to low time frames to show you the story I'm currently building. So we've got the 4-hour high here. Ignore all my lines. I've just been drawing repeated lines as I've been going along. So we've got the 4-hour high and 4-hour low. See here, look. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So now we're expecting price to respect this support here. This support zone, supply zone, whatever you want to call it, and then continue down now to the 4-hour low and the current daily candle close low here. Swipe that liquidity, and then we want price to continue to the higher time frame targets here. The current resistance where candle closes were on the daily, if you remember, and then break that, and that would be our final target. So let's go down onto the 1 hour, sorry. So, price is currently expecting this zone. I'm looking to take sells from somewhere in here. If we go onto the 30 minutes, it's cleaner. We've got a demand supply zone here, look. It is looking good for sells already. We could have taken sells here on the breaker structure. However, I want there to be some form of pullback into this zone. Or I want there to be, a fake out to the high here, swipe yesterday's liquidity, and then give us that, sniper entry up here to then aim all the way for the lows. And that would make sense because we've got the yesterday's New York highs here, liquidity there, and the Asia high here. So we've got two sets of liquidity here that have been building. So as I said, I want to see no candle closes above here, price to be swiped there, candle closes below, boom, there's our entry. Super high confirmation, and that should take us then to at least this zone, and then yesterday's low. I would be aiming for yesterday's low to swipe that liquidity. And that will be a bulletproof trade. However, it depends on the market opens. If the market decides to go straight down here, I'm not going to chase it down. I'm going to see what happens at this zone. We might get some consolidation here. It might decide to come back up, pretend it's going up, and then go down. So we'll just have to take it as it comes. As I say, that would be my ideal entry here. If we see that, I'm going to take that without thought. If we don't get that, we'll have to wait to see what the market does and reassess. Sorry about that, guys. US30. So it should be a pretty clean move today. On the daily here, if we go to the daily, again, the daily candle closed bearish. We've got the breaker structure here, retracement almost to 50%. So I'm looking for continuations down to the daily though, and then down to this previous support level here. So if we go down onto the lower time frame, 4-hour, what can we see here? We've got some price action here. If we go down to the hourly time frame, we've got a breaker structure here, a previous demand zone here. So demand turning into supply here. So if price respects this zone here, like I'm waiting for a similar move if you remember from the GBP. So we've got the daily high liquidity here. Now that's always prone to getting swiped. A lot of the time we have a fake move coming out of London, and then we have an impulse in this situation, which will be a fake out to the upside to swipe liquidity, a close below, and then a sell. If that happens, we've got basically we know that 99 times out of 100, price is going to then go to the daily lows. However, if we get a different scenario and price decides to go straight down here, then we're going to have to wait till this is swiped. This is forming head and shoulders, look. And we would wait for price to get back somewhere in this zone around the Asia midline and then give us confirmation. Failing candles to break the high, no candle closes above. If that happened, then we could have TP1 as the low here again, or this low here. And if we break this, look, we've got a clean move down to previous weekly low and yesterday's low. So that's what we're looking at, guys. Super simple stuff. So if you've got any questions, post them in the chat. But yeah, it should be a pretty nice day trading. Touch wood. But let's see. I'm only going to take trades, guys, if we get these specific confirmations, because when we get these confirmations, as I said, 99 times 100, it's going in our direction. So let's see what happens, guys. Yeah, enjoy your Friday. Peace out.